the storm, solutions for climate change. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, we are faced with a challenge of unprecedented magnitude, the climate crisis. The theme of this conference, Navigating the Storm, Solutions for Climate Change, aptly reflects the urgency and complexity of the task before us. But amidst the storm clouds that gather on the horizon, there is also hope. Hope that by coming together and charting a course towards a sustainable future, we can weather this crisis and emerge stronger, more resilient, and more united than ever before. The signs of climate change are all around us, from the melting ice caps in the Arctic to the devastating wildfires in the Amazon and Australia, the massive heat wave in South Sudan, some parts of Uganda, and other countries in East Africa. But the consequences of inaction are not confined to any one region or group. They threaten the very fabric of our society and the stability of our planet. Let us not only rotate around the challenges that we face, let us also focus on the solutions that are within our reach. This will require bold and ambitious action on multiple fronts, including 1. Transitioning to renewable energy. We must accelerate the transition to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. This means phasing out fossil fuels and investing in clean energy infrastructure that is accessible to all. 2. Investing in resilience and adaptation. We must invest in climate resilience and adaptation measures to protect vulnerable communities and infrastructure from the impacts of climate change, including extreme weather events and sea level rise. 3. Fostering international cooperation. Finally, we must strengthen international cooperation and collaboration to address the global nature of the crisis. This means honoring our commitments under the Paris Agreement and mobilizing financial resources to support developing countries in their efforts to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Let us also remember that addressing the climate crisis is not just a matter of policy or technology. It is a moral imperative. It is a matter of justice, equity, and human rights. We owe it to ourselves, to the future generations, and to the countless species